Hello everybody and welcome to your fourth Photoshop tutorial, creating a new document. In this tutorial, we will learn the various steps involved in creating a new document, and we will get to know about different settings involved in creating a new document. To create a new document, you can go to File, New. Select New, and then a new window will pop up. Now let's talk about this window. First thing over here is the name. Now usually name is not considered such an important thing, but let me tell you that name is one of the most important things, as if you don't name your work properly, it won't be organized, and if your work is not organized, it will get messy, and in turn it will give you difficulties in future when you want to work back into your previous works and things like that. Make sure to name it properly so that the work gets organized and it stays organized. So let's just name it Demo. Now let's leave the preset for now. What we have down here is the width. Width is basically the width of the canvas that will be created. The canvas is the area in which you can paint and which will be exported. So basically the area inside the canvas, that is all the things, editing, painting, anything that you did that is inside the canvas, only that will be exported. So this gives the width of the canvas. This gives the height of the canvas. You can click and drag. Width and height is currently in centimeter in order to imitate to the real world, but we can set it to pixels, inches, centimeter, millimeter, points, pks and columns. Now others are not usually used. The most commonly used is the pixels. So let's just set it to pixels, and then we can give the image size 720 by 480 pixels. Now the resolution is how many pixels are there per centimeter of the document. The more pixels there are, the high quality the image will be, and the higher size of the image will be. So higher the resolution, higher the quality, and higher the size. We have pixels per centimeter and pixels per inch. Let's leave it at pixels per centimeter. Let's increase the resolution to 100. Now color mode, we have many different color modes: bitmap, grayscale, RGB color, CMYK color and lab color. We will learn about these in the later tutorials. The RGB colors, we will just keep them for now: red, green, blue color. On the right is the quality of the colors: 8-bit, 16-bit, 32-bit, and down here is the background. So the background of the canvas will be white. So let's hit OK, and then as you can see, our canvas has been created. Thank you for watching.